Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Katrina the Traveler, and if this is your first time to watch me, please consider subscribing to this amazing channel. I do content on people who are in business and also content about Africa, the places that you can travel here in Africa and also outside Africa, and I'm based here in Kenya. This activity is here in Kenya, World Safari Rally. And I'm here to tell you the businesses that you can do so that you can earn an extra income here in Kenya. You can sell mayai boiro. This is egg that is fried, and also there's that one that is boiled with kachumbari. Also, you can sell smokies. But when Naivasha, I know Nyandarua, Kinangop is just next to you. This is where you can get these potatoes. Uende uzichemshe vizuri, alafu uziweke mafuta. For me, because I'm a Kikuyu, nikiambiwa either nikule iyo mayai ama nikule smoky ama nikule waru, I'll choose waru. You can sell protection. I know this is funny, it's weird, but let's not assume that people are not going to have there. Mostly the youth, you know, wako kwa teen, they're in the teen life where they're feeling hot. So let's not assume that. And I know that is something that you can sell. You just go there, buy protection. Okay, I don't know whether I should buy and sell to them. There's also one person mwenye najuanga who ambia what to use protection. Protection is very good, by the way, guys. Use protection. But for me, I don't support that. But kama wewe kwako una feel it's a must, I do this thing, please use protection. You can buy those hey, now skianga naonanga online, it's very expensive. All those brands, you go and sell to people who need it. Protection is better than cure. So you can buy protection and sell at a good amount. Hata unaweza ongeza bei. Hii wote ukiongeza bei watanunua. You can sell water. People will be thirsty. People will be looking for places. Wapi maji? Nani ako na maji? Wapi na maji? Nani ako na maji? Buy water. Hata kama utaweka kwa maybe kama uko na pickup, kama uko na tuk-tuk, ukiweka hii maji hapo, watu wataenda kubuy. People will buy. Hiyo nayo be assured. People are going to buy water. Hata kama saa hii weather vile iko, it's a bit cold, but there are people who keep on consuming water more and more. It doesn't matter whether the weather is cold or not. They consume water, like myself. I'll buy that. Nitanunua maji. When people are having this type of activities, they tend to have skin tights and also some sandals and even some sneakers. Umekuwa na sneakers the whole day. Jioni you want somewhere you can relax. So you can sell them sandals, slippers. I think every house has those shoes. What are they called? Loafers. Anyway, let me put a picture here. Those shoes, if you can make sure that you have them. By then you can go and get them at Kamukonji. They will sell to you at a very good price. Snacks, biscuits, jugu. Because wanaume watakula jugu sana hiyo time. All those type of snacks. Sweets, if you can have them, ukuwe tu na kaplace, umeka kakaton kako ama kakibanda tu kadogo, uwekele hizo sweet nini, people are going to buy that. Face masks zitaenda, and the reason zitaenda ni juu ya vumbi. Some people, they have allergy to do with dust, and anyone is preventing him or herself from kupata flu. So kuna watu wata prefer kubuy mask ili wasipate homa. Buy mask and sell it. SIM card na tusimu tudogo kabambe. Can I tell you why people are going to buy this? There are people when sometimes wanaweza kuwa watakuwa wametoroka home. If you are given the rights to register to register SIM cards by Safaricom, you can use that and make money. M-Pesa, anything to do with withdrawing or depositing money. This is something that can make you to hooray, cause watu watakuwa wanatumia do. Na maybe watu wengine pesa ziko kwa M-Pesa. Alafu kuna wengine pesa itaisha and they need to call their friends or their family to send them money. Na wakitumia pesa watakuwa wana withdraw wapi? If you can be in that area, ukuwe na M-Pesa agent ama Airtel Money, utaomoka brother sister. Ava utapata a lot of customers. Cosmetic. The people who are going to buy vitu za cosmetic kama sunscreen. Kuna watu watabuy sunscreen, maybe mostly wazungu hajazoea hii weather yetu. Alafu unajua hata kama ni June, you don't know kama hiyo time kutakuwa na sun, itakuwa ime light up. Hujui kama hiyo time kutakuwa na sunshine. So you can buy sunscreen, even though don't buy the expensive one because you don't know kama itakuwa aje. Alafu kuja hapa kusema wewe Katrina uliniambia ni buy so and so, alafu hii kitu haikuenda. Another thing that you can buy ni vitu kama nini ya Kenya. Bangle yenye imeandikwa Kenya, earrings, kuna engagement rings. You never know, mse anaweza kama aone he kaka dem nimeka like leo ndio na propose, sitaki ku waste time, na propose leo. Another thing is t-shirts za Kenya ama flag ya Kenya, anything to do with Kenya, this one can go well. Mostly with people who are coming from other countries and they love Kenya, they are going to buy that. They are going to buy hizi vitu za Masai, bangles, shuka za Masai. Unaona venye Masai soko inakuanga vitu kaa hizo, they are going to buy. It's during cold season and so many people are looking for warm clothes. So if you can have some jackets, some socks, hizi leggings zenye tunekanga kwa miguu, hoodies. Let's go to sleeping time. Please, if you can, na uko na land hapo, buy tents. Tents utu tent tudogo tenye watu wenda nazo camping. People are going to sleep in that place because this thing is going for 3 days. So kuna watu wataangalia aone, is there a need to go to Naivasha town and look for a room? Si afadhali tu tuchukue aka tent hata kama tuko watu watatu ama wale watu watatoshare, we share the price. So go, if you have a land somewhere where you can put on those tents. It's a business that I saw last year and people were making money. They had a lot of tents. I don't know whether I think walikuwa import. They were making good money. Even for those people who have hotels or they have Airbnb, people are going to look for places where they can spend their night after a tough day. Take advantage of this world thing, make an extra income, and then come back here and comment uniambie you made an extra income. I'll be very, very happy. Katerina the Traveler. Katerina the Traveler.